All right, everybody, it is Saturday, and we're gonna get some more stuff done. Try to start getting this project closed up. We're gonna kind of continue this kind of trimming and trimming stuff up a little bit here. This is kind of part two. If you watch the first one, you'll know kind of what I did and how I redid it. So anyway, without further ado, let's start getting some of this work done. All right, guys, so it took a little bit longer than I thought, but I got some quarter round and started trimming this out. All of this wood that you see here is going to be stained the same color as the ceiling. So I got all of this trimmed out, boxed out, got some wood filler in there waiting for it to dry. And then here's the top, nice and capped off. I had to kind of do something over here, get creative, but try to cap it off and everything best as possible. So all that's going to be stained the same as the ceiling. So we'll get to work on something else. All right, y'all, took a break, had some lunch, and so now I've got some spots on the thresholds here that I need to sand and get some paint that up, and then over where I just put up that trim, it's gonna get stained, so I wanna go ahead and tape it off so I don't get stain on the wall that's painted. So let's get to working on that. All right, so that's one less thing to do. Got those sanded, got a touch up paint on there. Looks good. Okay, so I got my tape up here. Got everything taped up, at least, you know, the best that I can anyway, keep staying off the wall. I'm gonna go ahead and start sanding this and go from there. I don't think some of it's like 100% dry, so I'm gonna sand, you know, the stuff that's I know is the oldest, get that going. Some of this stuff like here that I put up yesterday or the day before or whatever, it's dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that sanded and get things prepped and ready. right, y'all, got it stained up. Hold on a second. There we go. Look at that, so much better. Better than what I was gonna do. It's nice and trimmed out. Happy about that. Take a look here from the top. So coming down the stairs. See that nice stained wood. I tried to do the best I could there with that corner. It's less of a train wreck than what it was gonna be. It was gonna be way worse. So it's better than what it was. But all right, so now that that's done, it's time to move on to something else. Okay, so we still got a couple of pieces of baseboard that need to be put down. I've been waiting to kind of see what I was going to do with the stairs and all that kind of stuff. So those need to be cut and painted and all of that. Also need to do the trim up the stairs on the other side, so we need to get started on that. And I'm going to be putting quarter round kind of at the bottom of the stairs, kind of like I don't know if you can see it, but kind of like in here down this, to kind of cover up any kind of cracks or anything there. So, and all those need to be painted. So I'm not gonna record all the painting and everything because that's kind of boring. So I'll catch you guys up as soon as it gets done. Okay, so all of those pieces there that are painted white, they're going to be the trim going up the stairs. On the opposite side, the ones I already did. And then this small quarter round here is painted. It'll have to have a second coat, but it'll also go on the stairs, but it's not going to go on till these pieces go on. So I got to let this stuff dry a little bit, and then we'll see about getting it installed. All right, so took a little bit of a break, and the pieces for the stairs, they're dry. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and get those put up before I call it a day. Still got to do another coat of gray on the quarter round, but that's probably gonna have to wait till tomorrow because I got some other stuff to do today, not at home. So anyway, let's get that put up. All right, everybody. I was able to get this trim up here on the stairs, and I was able to get the second coat on the quarter round. That's gonna go, you know, like right down there on the bottom of each step. So got it done. All right, so that's definitely gonna do it for today. I'm out of time. It's late in the day. I think it's like, I don't know, 5 o'clock, 5:30, something like that. I got to get back into town, pick up the little one. So that's going to be it. Tomorrow, we'll get back on it again. So anyway, I'll catch you up then. Later.